In the Property tool, the annotation tags are displayed with icons which can be customized. To do so, as a first step, sign in to your tool. Then, choose the annotation tag icon you want to change. For example, this little house icon of the contact details annotation. After you click on it, in the upper left part you can find the current annotation tag icon. If you click on it, you can see that you can choose from a variety of icons, and you can change its color and saturation. It is worth to mention this ABC icon. If you click on this, you can enter 3 numbers or letters. It's especially useful if you want to differentiate between various tags, so you can recognize them just by looking at them. Other icons are used when it's about character groups, but in this case, you can enter a custom value. If you click on the Save button, the entered value appears in the Property tool.